Managing multiple online accounts can be challenging. Many platforms track IP addresses, limit logins, and block suspicious activity. This is where FlashProxy helps. FlashProxy provides reliable proxies that allow you to manage multiple accounts safely and efficiently. With FlashProxy, each account connects through a separate IP address. This makes every login appear natural and independent. As a result, you can avoid IP bans, reduce account linking, and stay within platform limits. FlashProxy proxies are fast, stable, and compatible with most account management and automation tools. They are ideal for social media management, e-commerce accounts, marketing teams, and automated workflows. With FlashProxy, scaling your operations becomes simple and secure. No interruptions. No blocked accounts. FlashProxy helps you manage accounts with confidence.